Hello friends, I hope you have enjoyed my last video. Today I want to talk something very special. How to create multiple incomes from your existing capital. How I have been doing it? By simply following three parameters. Parameter 1, I am keeping my entire capital into a safe instrument called liquid mutual fund. If I keep my entire capital in a safe instrument, I don't need any headache to manage that fund. It will be managed by a fund manager and it is the most safest instrument in this financial market. From there, I am pledging the entire mutual fund to the NSE for getting a collateral margin. Collateral margin will help me in taking my option portfolio. National Stock Exchange cut 10% haircut and give me rest of the 90% as a collateral cash margin. With that 90% of the margin, I can use in selling options or build up my option portfolio. In the parameter 2, I will not use that 90% of the capital all at a stretch. I will take a very small quantity of positions initially and gradually pyramiding in the direction where the market is going or the stock is moving. With that, I am capping my risk to certain limit. And the third and the most important parameter is trade management. You must know how to manage your trade. Without that, you will be losing hell lot of money in your trade. Initially, when I started my trading career, I used to lose money because I was not aware how to manage the trade. If any trade goes beyond of my expectation, I exit the trade with loss. But gradually learn from the market how to manage it, how to maneuver the trade with the existing and the rest of the capital. So you keep these three parameters in mind and start your trading career. Your success is guaranteed to you. Yes, I am saying because of my past experience, I learned this thing from market. Let me explain you how it works out. Let me give you one illustration. Suppose, let me assume that you have a 5 lakhs of capital. Now what you need to do in the first step is you need to invest the entire 5 lakhs into a liquid mutual fund. You can take any best AMC's mutual fund for the safer side. Liquid mutual funds are considered to be the most safest fund and it gives the annual return of around 5 to 6% per annum. Now, you need to pledge that entire mutual fund to the NSE, the National Stock Exchange. What NSE will give? NSE will keep that mutual fund units and give you the collateral margin after haircut of 10%. It means NSE will pledge your entire mutual fund portfolio. It's called pledging. So after getting that 10% haircut, you are left with 90% of your cash equivalent limit. Now, with that 90% of collateral margin as a cash equivalent, you can utilize in selling options. As you are aware of, to sell option you need to have margin, which is almost 10 to 20% of your total positions. So now you see how your capital is working in both the direction. One, it's giving you annual return of 5 to 6%, which is a fixed return. And with the collateral margin, you can start selling options and get a business income of around 3 to 4% per month periodically, and which that 3 to 4% again will accumulate up to 36% per year. So if you combine these two things together, you can earn 40% per annum profit or income. Liquid funds are debt instrument and it doesn't have any time horizon, which means you can exit the fund at any point of time when you need liquid cash. So from that point of view, you are always sitting on a liquidity and the total capital also giving you some return. So instead of keeping your cash idle in your trading account, better to invest it in a liquid mutual fund and pledge it and get the collateral from the exchange, and from there you can start your trading. That is the best thing, and almost all the HNI clients are doing the same practice. That's why I would like to suggest every trader, especially the retail trader, to follow this process, keep their cash into a safe liquid mutual fund and go ahead with their trading style based on their risk appetite. Earlier, fixed deposit was considered as collateral by the exchange, but now they have stopped accepting fixed deposit as collateral. You can keep your entire stock portfolio and that also can be placed to the exchange for the collateral, but there exchange will take 30 to 40% haircut and give you the rest 60% for the margin. The major difference between this liquid fund collateral and the rest of the collateral is, in the liquid fund collateral, you can utilize 90% margin as a cash equivalent, whereas in the rest of the collateral, whether it is 70% or 60% depending upon the portfolio, you can take it as a collateral, but you need to maintain the same amount of cash in your account. That means that type of collateral is not considered as a cash equivalent. So if you really want to go for cash equivalent collateral, you need to take liquid mutual fund or liquid ETF and keep it to the exchange for a cash equivalent collateral. This collateral is as good as having a cash in your bank account. One more thing you must keep in your mind: while talking to your broker, you need to talk to them whether through them the liquid fund can be placed to the exchange or not. Because some of the brokers are not allowing to keep liquid fund as a collateral. And if you have opened your Demat account and online trading account with them, and if you find difficulties that they are not able to pledge your liquid fund, then you may have to face difficulties. So better to talk to them before you open a Demat and online trading account. Now, how to get the business income from the selling options? For that, you need to check my earlier video. You can see the flash on the top of the video. Just click and have a look on my last video. I clearly explained some 4-5 strategies. In your option portfolio, just try to make some 3-4 very popular strategy, and from there you just start earning by selling options and by using the theta decay. Now, with that 90% of the capital, you need to build up your option portfolio. But remember, you should not put that 90% in a single stage. Take some small positions and gradually build up your portfolio in the direction of the market or in the direction of the movement of the stock. In my last video, I already explained you the basic option selling strategies. You can click the link flashing on the top of this video and see the video if you have not seen it before. Most of the people are aware of these popular strategies. But the major difference is created by the approach and the method. Approach means the way you want to enter into the trade, the quantity, the lot size, etc. And the method is how you are going to manage your trade. If the trade goes against your view, you need to have a proper management system in place. And that is only the key to the success. I hope you have enjoyed this video and the content. Please subscribe the channel if you feel that this video is worth for you. I am assuring you, in future I will be giving you some more valuable content and so many other information regarding the option selling. Till then, keep trading, keep selling option, keep earning profit, keep generating income. Thank you.